Hey, welcome back to the school garden, where we have been doing a bit of an experiment with the snail method of starting off seeds. And it's funny, isn't it? I come to school and I'm supposed to be here to be teaching people stuff, but I've learnt something new here. I'm a bit of a dinosaur when it comes to gardening, and I still use a lot of the methods I was taught when I was a youngster, just learning. But this is a more recent development that one of the staff members here, they know who they are, suggested we try the snail method, and I nodded slowly, thinking, what on earth is she talking about? But basically, this is the method. You roll up some polythene, and it's a good way of using old polythene rather than chucking it in the bin, so it's quite a sustainable way. And you put compost into that roll and sow the seeds along the top, and once the seeds are germinated you can unroll them like this, and you can see how easy it's going to be now to prise open these seedlings. These are actually candy tuft, which I'm quite happy to do in little groups of 2 or 3 together, but those roots are going to be much more easy to prise apart than the traditional way. Here's some more candy tuft that have germinated well in the pot, but you can see how all those roots are all matted together, so there's going to be more of a shock to those candy tuft when I plant them up, which I'm about to do, than there is here. So this is just to report back and say, look, you never stop learning with gardening, and from what I've seen so far, with the right sort of seeds, kind of fine rooted seeds, this kind of snail method, this method of rolling up the polythene and then using it as a kind of a roll of seed compost, seems to work really well. Anybody else tried it? Anyone got any suggestions, any questions? We would love to hear from you. In the meantime, I better get potting.